Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 5 divided by 2 power x plus 7 divided by 2 power x plus 9 divided by 2 power x plus 11 divided by 2 power x is equals to 8 power 13 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am taking 1 divided by 2 power x as common. So what is left? 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equals to 8 power 13. So 1 divided by 2 power x, and when we add these terms we get 32 is equals to 8 power 13. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 power x first. So we can eliminate this. And now I am going to divide both sides by 8 power 13. So we can eliminate this. So 2 power x is equals to 32 divided by 8 power 13. Now 32 we can write it as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 power 5. So 2x is equals to 2 power 5 divided by 8. We can write it as 2 power 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 power 3. So here 2 power 3 whole power is 13. So according to exponent rule, that is x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn. So 2 power 3 times 13 is 39. So 2 power 39. So 2 power x is equals to, here I am going to apply the quotient rule, that is x power m divided by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So we can write it as 2 power 5 minus 39. So 2 power x is equals to 2 power minus 34. So if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So the value of x is minus 34. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.